Yes.
O, ano ibang lirik?
Yeah.
Ilibutang niyo pa.
There you guys. Pagod kayo ay main. Kusa. Chicken macaroni soup. Let me see. Okay, I am the chef now. Betrayed. It's so satisfying.
Guys,
Your head.
just with your head. Kaya you might...
Ew. It already has a oil. And like it is cracking.
We're going to shred the yung chicken guys. Ito, we're still going to shred this shred natin. Mama, talaga satisfying.
You can replace this first, guys. Kaya so cute. Cleaner. I'm going to mix first.
You guys. Like me and Auntie were compatible.
Guys,
And Princess were
stay with us, guys. Masarap ito, guys.
Bear with me, you guys, okay? Just bear with me, okay? If you don't bear with me, I'm going to be personal. Okay.
I-mix muna natin, guys. Ililipat natin dito para hindi, Bibi niyo, ako lang. Mabilis ma-mix yung ingredient natin. Ito yung buhok. Ano lagi?
It's not a perch, okay?
Yan. So, mamaya sa container na natin ilalagay pag ready to serve na. Tapos,
Dapat wala naman natin yung container. So, not well. Nawara na.
tapos, sa ito may kapita.
I'm going to be backwards. Yes, more jello.
Okay na lang dyan. Para okay na. Tapos ito yung natin, yung cheese.
Cheese.
Slice ko muna. Sige, mix muna. Ito yung mabuhok ka. May mga salad.
Backward. You know, this is firing, so I gotta put more cheese.
May konti lang. Pang damihan yung cheese.
A lot of chubby cheese. Here, Mom.
Busin na lang natin ito, guys. Para masarap.
I don't want.
Ayan. Tapos, ano pa? Yung ito na chicken. Ito yung pinaka-main. So, ayusin natin, guys, yung chicken muna, ha? Sige, mix. Buhok mo. Ganon. Shhh. Buksan pa natin yung isang Mix.
Okay.
May carbs ka na, may protein. Hindi na ganda. Pwede naman natin ito i-slice na. Pakaba. Dapat yung... Ngayon guys, Merry Christmas. Yung buhok. Hindi da. Hindi gabi.
It's constrained time.
Merry Christmas guys. Ito kasi nainisip ako chicken macaroni. Oh, ay, what's that? No. Don't you ever put anything there? Okay na yan, okay na.
It's not okay. It's, you know. It will be right. Look at that, it's cleaning all the way. If you just take off the exit, it will just clean. It will just clean.
Yung hibla ng manok, ito yung ganituhin mo.
Anyhow, one.
Hibla. Ganito.
Here is one. I didn't know that this is going to be fun. It's Christmas time.
Ito na, malinis ang kamay guys ha.
Parang kapag yung cheesecake,
Hindi, pero di mo matamis.
pero kailangan pa ito. Kailangan pa ito.
Hindi naman cheesecake na di tubig. Kasi may tubig.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
And it's time for pancake. I'll just make that. Okay?
Yung sa babi.
Just kidding. Okay? Don't call me. I'm just kidding.
Hindi natin manok. Pag maraming manok dito guys, hindi natin mabus. Ayan.
I'm going to mix that bad boy. Keep going.
Sorry, sorry.
Excuse me, okay? Not sorry. Just excuse me. I'm sorry. But I'm so comfortable. Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Chicken macaroni salad.
Nauran na. Ha?
Ulan na guys.
Yan na
Sa inyo ba guys, maulan? Sa amin maulan. Today is 25, December 25. Dalaw-dalaw guys.
Hold on, dali ako pag-zoom. 30.
Dalaw-dalaw pag may time. Sa bahay ko.
We're never going to play Robert if it's going to get money. Nice to have you. Next one. Yeah, I'm going to make one. More chicken, please. More chicken, more chicken. Chicken breast.
Hindi, ito yung buhok busog eh.
Oh yes! Salamat! Sobrang ako eh.
Okay,
Kaya gagamitan ko yun eh.
spread lang guys. Spread natin yung chicken natin ha.
I need a clear
Mix natin yung medley tapos. Marami kasi chicken. Tanggalin yung buto, yung mga balat, at saka yung taba. Laman lang lalagay mo sa chicken macaroni salad. Special ito guys. First time kong gumawa nito. First time. Hindi na ulan. Ulan na.
Wow, it's nice.
Ayan, pinatatapos na tayo. Last ingredient pa po.
That's really good. But not good.
Ay, ito pa po.
Pag hinigo ka talaga.
Kailangan matyaga tayo. Kung gusto mo kumain ng masarap. Matyaga.
Don't mix it. You are going to eat all day. Mom.
Matyaga.
10 minutes later.
Ay, tapos na. Dali.
Saan ka na matatapos?
Dali.
Kung nagpitubos aga, napipirang na ak.
Ayun po, kung gusto mo yung special ang ano.
Slow egg. It's very amazing. Minutes later.
Yes, matapos na guys.
Tell me, sister. Yes, I got my very own.
Hindi sila trip. Nakatag tayo dito niya sister. Ano?
Wait, pwede mo ito?
Nakadalo sa tanong.
Ready to watch me be on the morning. Because I'm also married.
Matapos na guys.
3 hours ago. I'm so bored. 30 minutes.
There, 1 century later. Guys, 1 century later. Just there ito guys.
40 hours.
1 year later. Yan. Yes. Kita ako nakikita ka dito.
O, dahil nakikita ang busog pa dito. Ayan, okay. Let's not videoing!
Gumawa na tayo ng tuna. Macaroni tuna salad. Tapos fruit salad. Gumawa na rin ako. Tapos ito. May chicken salad tayo. Chicken
Yan.
macaroni salad.
One boring dito. in the world, eh?
Sarap
Are
ito
you
guys.
ready to rock a rock for your ability?
Sige.
Ready to watch me be like
Yung powder na nakaminta.
Cause I'm ultimately for our own super
Ang dulo sa ito lang.
Lang for your day.
Ang... Ayun.
Ano ba? Ano ba?
Here. Ito.
Stinger. I want to add it. I think I'm going to add it.
Sus.
I want to add it.
Oh, ang dami niya. Ayun, may.
Name it?
Pagparasa.
Hey guys. In the world, eh? Are you ready to go in my beauty? Ready to watch me be legendary?
Pinch lang. Kaya sa pinch lang
Cause I'm
talagang powder
ultimately
talaga.
for all super scenery. I'm so very,
Para hindi
very
siya
extraordinary.
makita. Yung paminta. Flavor. Okay, ready? Let's try it, ha? Ito. Guys, thank you so much. Hello guys, thank you so much for watching. Ito na po ready mix na natin yung chicken macaroni salad natin. Special po siya. All-in-one diet po. Isang platito. Pwede ka nang karoon ng
mga subscriber ko.
masarap na.
Just want to see it now.
Yung ingredients natin guys, ilalagay ko sa description box. Ay, nagay po itong pepper din. Mimix natin muna guys, before natin tikman. Ano yun?
Just do me a snack. Behind me too. This bamboo. Whoop. Okay, you guys, take that for my official pancake mix. Yeah. You can even not see it, but it's very good. That's the mix.
I-transfer natin para malagay sa...
Look at this, you guys.
Ay,
Pancake.
no!
I'm just showing the.
Yeah! Ayaw lagi ito. Ang kakarad.
Fine, I'll get my pancake now. Wow. You're asking me. Whoa! So satisfying.
Salamat po sa panonood guys. You must try this guys. Kahit konting lang. Ingredients. Lagay mo sa ref ng ilang oras, 2 hours. Pwede mo nang makain sir. Pwede kang hindi ito malamig. Pero mas masarap dito. Guys.
Wala soft talaga ito. It's so soft. Pinubusan na lang ito.
Delivery. In the refrigerator. Bitaw?
Uh-huh.
Bitaw. Kala ko guys,